Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's been buzzing in 2023, how to use apple cider vinegar to lose belly fat. If you're looking to shed some extra inches around your waist, you're in the right place. I'll share some simple and effective methods with you in under 2 minutes. Let's get started.
So, why apple cider vinegar? Well, it's known to boost metabolism, reduce fat storage, and control blood sugar levels, making it a fantastic tool in your weight loss journey.
The most popular method is the apple cider vinegar drink. Simply mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. You can add a touch of honey for taste if you like. Salad dressing. You can also use apple cider vinegar as a salad dressing. A couple of tablespoons can add a tangy flavor to your greens, and the acetic acid in ACV helps with fat burning. ACV gummies. If the taste of apple cider vinegar isn't your thing, you can also find ACV gummies in stores, a convenient and tasty alternative. Exercise and balanced diet.
Remember, apple cider vinegar is a helpful tool, but it's not a magic solution. Combine it with regular exercise and a balanced diet for the best results. So there you have it, using apple cider vinegar in 2023 to lose belly fat is a simple and effective strategy. Give it a try, and let us know how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching.